Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, June the 4th. Markets bounced back once again yesterday, came back to the positive, actually unchanged in some, but all the way back from the lows. 1922 up half a point yesterday. 1923 and a half was high, 1916 was a low. So a consolidation day in the market where we had a very limited range, which works out to be 7 points. The Dow futures down 9, 16,713. The Nasdaq futures up 3.5 at 3731. So a quiet day after many records. It was the first day that the S&P didn't make a new record high during the session yesterday. Dollar index down 10, 80.59. The euro currency was up 25, holding above that 136 level, 136.23. The bond market was a big mover yesterday, down a full point. We're trading September bonds right now, 135.11. So that's pushed yields right back up, a good deal here in the last few sessions. Crude oil up 20 cents at 102.70. Not much going there. 102.86 high, 102.23 low. So for my math, that's only a 60-cent range between the high and the low as that's trying to figure out its next direction in the marketplace. Gold up $1 at 12.45. So after the action yesterday where we didn't make new highs, that's newsworthy itself. Where do the markets stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, right now we're down 2 points in the E-mini S&P, 1919 and a half. 1924 and a half is the all-time high made just a few days ago. The Dow's down another 10 at 16,703, and the Nasdaq's off 4.5 at 3726. The dollar right now is 5 points higher, 80.65, with the euro currency down 2, steady, 136.21. The bond market is steady now at 135.12, up 1 point. The yields have been pushed up 3.43% in the 30-year and 2.59 in the 10-year note. How quickly things have changed. We were significantly below 2.5, and now we've snapped right back in the 10-year note. Crude oil getting a little bit of a bounce, up 60 cents, 103.30. Again, that 104.50 level has been a cap on the market in the last couple of weeks to keep an eye on. And lastly, gold's not going any lower, not going much higher, stuck at 12.45 as it stands right now. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're off a little bit. We're down 10 in the Dow futures. We're down 2 in the E-mini S&P, 1919 and a half as it stands with the all-time high within striking distance at 1924 and a half. I will see you early Thursday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.